How you can make money on YouTube with AI influencers full tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and stumbling you upon an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired of creating content. For example, this one or this one you can find here over 300 of followers, so 300k of followers. And as you can see here, we have likes and comments. So this is an AI influencer. That means it doesn't exist. So you can use this AI influencer to earn money. So dive into the world of AI influencers, where virtual personalities are defining the rules of social media marketing and raking in cash like never before. This is the power of AI influencers. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to do the voiceover, you don't have even to write the script. So a lot of influencers, AI influencers, earns millions of dollars. In this video, I'll show you how to create one and how to earn money with it. So first step to start your video on YouTube using AI influencer is creating your AI character. But don't worry, you don't have to create it, because we have here hygiene.com. So it's an AI based tool that utilized to generate AI character. All you have to do is open your web browser and type hygiene.com. As you can see here, we have two options to get started, so you can choose the one you want, and then you can enter your email and your verification code. Then you will answer for a few questions and you will start as one member of hygiene.com. So here we have a lot of information. You can read it to more understand. And if we scroll down over here, you will find a lot of information. As you can see here, we have AI avatar, and um, so yeah, you can find a lot of information that you can get to more understand. So after signing up, it will lead you to this home page. So let's come back to the home page. So this is the home page. As you can see here, we have my recent creations, and if we scroll down, you can find hygiene learning guide if you want to get more information about how AI studio works and how video avatar works, AI voice works, video translation. So here we have a lot of information you can get to understand. And then if we scroll down over here, you'll find templates, as you can see, with various topics, so you can choose the one suits you or suit your content. Here we have avatars, so you can just go over here and you will go to studio avatar to choose the avatar you want or the avatar you like. As you can see here, we have a various one, so you can choose the one you want, as I said, by clicking over here. So first of all, you can, this three dot is for edit your avatar or get avatar ID, and you can create your video by clicking here on landscape to start as a YouTuber or to start on YouTube. So you can click over here and this page will appear. As you can see here, we have a lot of options to edit your video. So as you can see, if you want, for example, change the place of your AI character, so if you want it on the left or on the right or on the middle, and here we have animation if you want effect on enter, effect on leave, and if you want to add a script too, you can just click over here and you can delete this script and then you will start writing yours. If you wanna some help, you can just click over here and then you will write what do you want in your script, and GPT script writer will help you. So here we have this one if you wanna add a script, and this icon if you wanna add post section if you want to add recording, and if you want to upload audio. So you can find also that one. So if you want a various voice to choose one, so here we have a lot of voices, so you can choose the one suits you. So here you can select the language, and here the gender, the age, function. So you can also select the type of your voice that you want. So here we have natural voice, explainer voice, ads voice, audiobooks voice, e-learning voice, narration voice, games voice. So you can choose the one you want to start as an AI influencer. And here, if you want to translate your script, I forget telling you that. So this is a lot of options that you can help you to edit your video. So you can just edit your video and then you will submit by clicking here, and then you will download your video and it will be ready to publish it on your channel on YouTube. So there's a lot of ideas that you can help you to start earn money by using AI influencer. So for example, we can mention not AI but affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing through platforms like impact.com offers affiliate flexibility in terms of how they promote products or services, allowing them to work independently. So by promoting products or services through affiliate partnerships, affiliate can earn commissions on sales generated through the referral links. So you can start as an affiliate by choosing one of these brands. So um, there's a lot of brands here, so you can choose one and promote its product and services, and then you can earn your commission. So all that by using AI influencer. And there is another way to earn money. So for example, create a video guide. Using an AI influencer can be an engaging and innovative way to educate your audience by starting on defining your topic. For example, you can choose a specific topic that you want to create a video guide about. This could be anything from an introduction to artificial intelligence to deep dive into a specific AI application or technology. And then you will start scripting by writing a script for your video guide, or you can just use ChatGPT to help you, including explanation, examples, and any demonstration you plan to include. So make sure the language is clear and conscious, suitable for both your target audience and the AI influencer. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.